So we have a much better understanding about the pathogenesis and the pathology of atopic dermatitis. And that's really leading to a ton of new treatments that are emerging and being tested. Some are going to make it and some won't. But it's truly exciting to see these new mechanisms appear and the hope that they'll provide to our patients. So we've definitely made a lot of advances with the approval of dupilumab and now more recently tralokinumab, and hopefully some of the JAK inhibitors. It's really made a tremendous difference, but there's still a need for more treatments. There are patients who don't get better with some of these agents and are looking for other treatments. Some may have side effects. Some may have comorbidities that they would also like treated with these newer agents. So there's definitely room for improvement, even though I am grateful for the treatments we currently have. We're not quite yet at the personalization of treatment. It certainly would be ideal. Although what I would say the actual best option is that you have a treatment that works for everybody. Now, that may not be so realistic. So hence, it would be nice to have a personalized treatment where you know in advance if this is going to be the best option for this individual. So some of the treatments that we're highlighting are going over some of the STAT inhibitors that are being developed. So just downstream of JAKs are the transcription factor STATs. And it's been challenging to target them in the past. One strategy is a company's figured out how to target the SH2 domain of STAT, and that can lead to, again, STAT inhibition. Another strategy, which I'm very excited about, is by degrading the STAT protein. So by targeting STAT transcription factor for the proteasome, which naturally degrades the STAT within the body, you can almost completely get rid of it with very low doses of medication. And that also can lead to selectivity. Another strategy for selectivity within this pathway is using silencing RNA. So can we either perhaps topically or via injection basically target the messenger RNA and be very selective with JAK1 and also get at this pathway for really powerful results and minimizing side effects. So those are some of the treatments that are really exciting. So the reason why it's futuristic treatments is I'm doing some of the treatments that are a little further down the pipeline that will take longer for us to see. So they're not quite at the phase 3. They're certainly far from imminent, but we have a lot of hope for and that they'll make it. So I think what's most important for clinicians is just to be aware of these treatments that are in the process of development, because unfortunately some of them will not make it, but some of them might, and to understand that the pathogenesis of the disease, now that we know more information about it, we can really help target different aspects of the pathway to bring some of these treatments and to test out those theories for what is really behind atopic dermatitis.